Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, i-draw ye-CAF Champions League including or involving Mamelodi Sundowns ama-champions wase-South Africa seyiphumile bafethu. Big one ukuthi le team enokhe out i-Orlando Pirates yiyo ezodlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns noma ngithi baku-same group. Kusho ukuthi ama-Fanatics wase-South Africa azobona ubani umjito umukoko again laphana e-Loftus if bazodlala e-Loftus or e-Lucas Sobona. But yeah, iLupopo iyabuya again bafethu eSouth Africa. What a day for Mamelodi Sundowns and what a day for ama-South African football fans because ngiyazi ukuthi i-social media izozama futhi njengoba abantu bazoba ne-excitement ne-banter ukuthi bazo-attack-ana in terms of ukuthi so babonisa banihlulile nezinto ezinjalo. But yeah, i-good draw for ama-group stages bafethu we-2025-2026 laphana i-CAF Champions League sobona ukuthi obani abazoyiwina. But-ke khona i-group ye-Mamelodi Sundowns, i-group C la kuyi-Mamelodi Sundowns yalana e-South Africa, and then iLupopo yalaphana eCongo, and then i-MC Alger bafethu, and then khona i-Al Hilal. Yeah, ama-team la I think Mamelodi Sundowns izo-advance laphana. MC Alger sayibona last season, i-team egood e-competitive. Oh, I'm missing something. MC Alger bafethu i-coach uRhulani Mokoena, meaning that uRhulani Mokoena will come back to South Africa to face Mamelodi Sundowns, and Mamelodi Sundowns izoya le North Africa iyofacea MC Alger. A big one for South African football overall because isobona ukuthi uRhulani Mokoena uzokwazi ukuyishaya iMamelodi Sundowns. So it won't be an easy task, but-ke une-intel ngebhola lase-South Africa ne-Mamelodi Sundowns as a whole ukuthi behind closed doors benza kanjani izinto, considering the fact that i-ex-team yakhe i-team ayicoacha for some time bafethu, waqala i-assistant coach to i-head coach eMamelodi Sundowns ekhula laphana ngaphansi kwaMapitso Mosimane. So coach ngempela lo sene-experience kakhulu because siyazi ukuthi even last season becoacha laphana e-North Africa, eMorocco, i-Wydad Casablanca. What a coach, what a moment for uRhulani Mokoena ukuthi ashaye iMamelodi Sundowns. Imagine if uyishaya home and away, or away uthole i-draw, and then e-home uyakwazi ukuyishaya. Or iMamelodi Sundowns, it's gonna be a big statement for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ikwazi ukushaya futhi uRhulani Mokoena if bayamshaya home and away, or away baya-draw but bamshaye or bayashayana. So bona ukuthi izohamba kanjani. Football is unpredictable, especially African football, but this is a big mission for uRhulani Mokoena ukuthi awine i-continental level. iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu iyafuna ukuyiwina i-Champions League, sonke siyakwazi lokho. I remember when they went to Nigeria kuyodlala laphana ne-Remo Stars, ku-official statement sabo bathi as we begin i-journey to ukuwina or I think it was written as we begin a journey to a continental glory. Iqala laphana eNigeria babebhale kanjalo. Every season they wanna win it. And then i-Al Ahly kulona ku-group B bafethu, i-Al Ahly izodlala ne-Young Africans, i-team le yayicoachwa uCoach Nabi bafethu, le yashawa laphana 2023 CAF Confederations Cup finally, and then bazodlala ne-ASFA, and then ikhona team sengikhohle igama lakhona, but I'm seeing i-JSK, yes, but khona igama lakhona man, but it's okay. And then ku-group A-ke ama-champions i-Pyramids yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns ikhona laphana ku-group A, and then ne-RS Berkane khona, and then ne-Rivers United yase-Nigeria, ne-Power Dynamos yase-Zambia bafethu, yiwo ama-teams laphana azobe e-compete this season laphana ku-group A. And then ku-group D, Esperance the Tunis, iSimba yase-Tanzania, i-Atletico Pedro what is this country, yase-Angola, and then ilona Stade Malien, kusho ukuthi yaseMali-ke le team if angilenzi iphutha bafethu, but yeah, yiyo i-full draw. Ama-team a-expected aya ku-competition afuna ukuyiwina i-competition siyawazi bafethu, i-Al Ahly, i-Esperance, iMamelodi Sundowns, and then I think obviously Pyramids they want to defend their crown, but ayi-4 or 5 ama-teams uma ingena ku-CAF Champions League kwazi ukuthi nje they want to win it, they wanna go all out each and every season. Njalo uma bengena ku-CAF Champions League abangeni just for a fun of it, bangenela ukuyiwina. angeke kube lula, kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Oh, it's gonna be very, very difficult to win it this time around. But uh, I think it will all comes down to ukuthi ubani oyifuna kakhulu, ubani ofuna ukuyiwina. Yeah, man, what a journey, what a story for ama-teams wase-Afrika afuna ukuyiwina le ndebe lena ebaluleke kangaka ebholeni lase-Afrika. And I think it's very important manje bafowethu ukuthi bayiwine le cup leli. Why? Because manje when you win it, you don't just win it for fun of it, uqualify ku-World Cup. And manje le FIFA Club World Cup usuke i-FIFA Club World Cup entsha. Uma uqualifya khona ubhekana nama-teams awina abo-Champions League, ubhekana nama-teams arenka high e-Europe, so umhlaba wonke ukubukele ku-World Cup. So they do understand ukuthi ukuyiwina le competition lena kuminani, and then kubaluleke kakhulu for ama-teams amaningi ukuthi ayiwine le competition le. Yeah, but kubalulekile again bafethu ukuthi si-mention lento le ukuthi ilokhu njani, i-Orlando Pirates ine-case angithi, ine-case against iLimpopo, i-team kaMokoko. As much as ngishilo ukuthi iyabuya la eSouth Africa izodlala, i-CAF kumele ikhiphe ilokhu njani ekugcineni bafethu, ikhiphe i-decision yokuthi bayabuya abafana or kanjani, or isitori sabo bazosihendlela kanjani, nanokuthi-ke there's a possibility mabesho ukuthi bayi-disqualify, we don't know. Kwazi i-CAF nemithetho ye-CAF ukuthi izothini, because at the end of the day kumele ikhiphe i-decision ukuthi okay, kwenzakalani ngocoach wangalena, and then how they gonna maneuver around that thing, because it's very important ukuthi ikhiphe i-decision maduzane before iqala i-formal competition in terms of ama-group stages. Orlando Pirates, they believe ukuthi bane-case about ucoach, but egroundini bayashaywa. It's very important to note that egroundini bayashaywa, but kunemithetho yebhola kumele ilandele. Are we gonna see Lupopo back to South Africa or not? Konke kulele ku-CAF, yibo abaziyo ukuthi bazomisa izinto kanjani. I think behind closed doors yibo abalikhulumayo lecala leli ukuthi okay, is it right, is it wrong, what's happening, what is the way forward kuyo yonke lento lena bafethu. But yeah, congratulations for him, to Mamelodi Sundowns, for qualifying again. For bona it's very important ukuthi ba-qualify. They know each and every season ukuthi ba-qualify i-must. They've made it a norm, in fact, ukuthi ba-qualify every season. But they wanna make it a norm ukuthi babe highly competitive, ba-qualify, by-win. Yilo. They haven't won it like in what, since 2016, is it close to 10 years now, after so much much investment in terms of like improving the team. But I think last season they came close. They understand the journey, they understand the dream of like president, which is uPatrice Motsepe. Siyazi ukuthi president careful, but I mean i-team yakhe le umntanakho ophethe okumele azame ngempela ukuyilokhu njani, ukuyiwinisa iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bashaya ama-good decision making. I think the another thing ukuthi esingayimenshina ukuthi inzima bafowethu. I think it's just more than a game, and then they lack that thing in terms of like the pedigree ukuthi just to get over there ukuthi bathole I think bayathuka abafana isikhathi esiningi, cause bona yabona iMamelodi Sundowns, they powerful ngakhona bafethu, powerful to a point where bangadominate nanoma yiphi team. Even mawubheka ama-game wabo, even na last season ukuthi badliwe kanjani laphana ku-finali, bekumele ba-make sure ukuthi aba-concede at home, but-ke bona ba-concede at home. And ba-consider kanjani? Ba-consider like i-cross last minute, baya-consider, bekumele nje they take that 1-0. But at the same time ucoach uMiguel Cardoso bamblame ngokuthi uba too defensive at times. So bona ukuthi uzodlala kanjani, uzoyi-approacha kanjani. Siyazi ukuthi kwamanye ama-competition uMiguel Cardoso akenzanga kahle, akenzanga kahle kwamanye ama-competition like MTN 8 Carling Knockout, but-ke bambizele ukuthi awine i-CAF Champions League. Isizini enkulu for yena ukuthi akwazi ukuwina i-CAF Champions League for iMamelodi Sundowns. Wahluleka ukuyiwina vele uhambile. into abambizele yona. Hhayi abambizelanga o-M_T_N 8 ku-important ukuthi bawine namanye ama-cup yes, but bambizele i-Champions League. Ufikile ku-final last season, I'm sure uyasho ukuthi uyayiwina-ke this season. Sobona ngabo overall ukuthi sobona ngabo ukuthi bazo-react-a kanjani o-Coach Miguel Cardoso whenever they are losing, whenever izinto zingabahambeli kahle ukuthi bazo-react-a kanjani as i-team, nanokuthi-ke bazo-compete na ku-continental level. Because doing better than last year, it means that winning it because of last season bakwazile ukufika ku-final. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Simaking sure bafowethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Ningapredict-a bafowethu under iclip ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi iyiphi i-team ezowina i-CAF Champions League, yiphi i-team ezohamba nayo. Siyazi ukuthi ayikho easy i-CAF Champions League ukuthi ama-teams ayiwine, but yeah, inzima, hhayi inzima i-CAF Champions League. Yabona if khona i-competition enzima because it's not about i-talent, abantu beza nama-tricks amaningi and igcine seyidina le nto le ngoba it's way more than ibhola bafowethu manje. Abantu basebenzisa amaqhinga, basebenzisa inini, iyadina mase soyibukele, ba-waste isikhathi, bayalala okhipha bangavuki. At the same time no-ref base-Afrika bakwazi uku-eda isikhathi according ukuthi ama-player adrage igame kangakanani. So zonke lezo sithemba ukuthi lezi zinto zizo-improve bafowethu because iyadina. Kumnandi ukubukela ibhola yes, ama-teams lese team oyi-favour iwine, but-ke I mean le nto yoku-waste isikhathi, aggression, yokudlala kabi, winning by all cost, hhayi ibhola lase-Africa I think kumele li-improve nje i-standard leso, and then-ke lizokwazi maybe uku-export ibhola labo international because abantu bafuna ukubukela ibhola at the end of the day, hhayi amaqhinga. Danko bafowethu. Rhulani Mokoena is coming back to Mamelodi to a Loftus, to his home, to face Mamelodi Sundowns for the first time on the African continent. Can he beat them?